Good day everyone, my name is Amoto from BSMX 1-B. So today I'm gonna show you how to demonstrate or how to do to crimp and UTP cable. So first now we have to show the the materials that we have to use. So first now we have to use and network tester. So here. Then ang UTP cable, so it's a cut pipe. So and then crimping tool, crimper, and then the RG45. So and then scissor. So right now we have to do and straight throw cable. So straight throw cable we have to use the T568A. So yan. So we need to add this. Then after that I'm going to polish ng white blade and then blade. So first this one blade, then all the way orange, and then blue, all the blue, all the way blue. Which one I can see? Then blue, orange, white brown, and white brown, brown. So that's it. So for that you have to be sure you have straight. So after that, just insert it. After insert now, use blade. So after blade, then you go ng massage. So the other side now you use the E568. So cut, then orange. So siya, guide, green, then orange, blue, orange. Finish. So after that you have to test. So now we have to test the straight throw cable. So straight throw cable. So as you can see, it's straight, right? So thank you. So